Alright, guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Um, Thank you for taking time out to watch this training video that I put together for you guys. I know it's been a while since I tried to get this course completed. I have been working on a few steps and currently I've not been able to have time to continue what I was doing. This is the final chapter of the training course, and this is what we call the binary options candlestick pattern strategy. Now, this is a strategy that I have been using in trading. It produces a lot of great results, and we have more advanced techniques associated with this particular strategy. But in this video, I'm gonna be showing you and discussing the sorry, yeah, I'm going to be discussing the basic one, the basic assumption surrounding the strategy, which you can use as well, and you can make a lot of great profits with it. The only disadvantage with the basic one is it produces a lot of signals, and as a result, in as much as it produces a lot of winning trades, it also equally produces a great amount of losing trades. And the advanced techniques help reduce the amount of losing trades uh, signal that it produces. But just for the sake of this training and this video, I'm going to be discussing the basic one. Um, as time goes on, I will come out with a training on some of the advanced ones as well. But in case you are interested in having a PDF copy of one of the advanced strategies, candlestick pattern strategies for free, you can go to my website binaryoptionstradingexplained.com, and then you can opt in into the either the pop-up opt-in box or the opt-in box on the left-hand side of the screen, and you will be able to download a PDF version of one of the advanced candlestick pattern strategies that you can use as well. Okay, I guess there might be a group of new viewers here, so I'll have to do an introduction of myself before I proceed. Alright, my name is Fidel, and I have been involved with binary options for quite some time, almost a year and a half now. I started in March 2014, and during this period, I encountered a lot of misinformations and got involved with scam brokers and different kinds of people along the way, and I lost a lot of money. But as time went on, I found a trading strategy that helped me turn my losses into profits. Now, the strategy I'm about to teach you is one that I discovered on my own while searching around and tweaking and trying different things. I came across the strategy. There's a candlestick pattern strategy. Now, this candlestick pattern strategy, I would say I've not heard anyone in the industry discuss the strategy ever, and I think I should be the first discussing the strategy, and it has helped me a lot. It's not a holy grail of a strategy, meaning it doesn't produce. It's not gonna make you a millionaire. Yeah, it's not gonna make you a millionaire, but at least you can be in profit on daily basis, consistently, and as much as it produces a lot of winning trades, it also equally produces some amount of losing trades. So it's best to practice money management strategy in order to benefit from this particular strategy. Alright, so someone will ask, what is the candlestick pattern strategy? Now, let's start with what is a candlestick. Now, a candlestick is a particular feature that appears on the candlestick chart, which allows a trader to be able to tell whether the market is being moved by the bulls or the bears during that particular time frame. For instance, if you're on a 5 minute candlestick chart and you have that 5 minute candlestick forming a bullish candlestick, it indicates that the bulls are in control of the market for that particular 5 minutes. If it turns out to be um, a red candlestick, it shows that the bears are there's a bearish candlestick. The bears are in control of the market at a particular point in time. Right. Now, over the years, people have come to realize, traders come to realize, and analysts have come to realize that the candlestick particularly forms some form of some particular patterns, and anytime it forms those patterns, more often than not, helps in predicting the future direction of prices. More often than not, when these patterns form, they help tell you what the future direction of the price is going to be in the next 5 minutes, in the next 1 hour, in the next 2 hours, in the next 5 hours. These patterns can tell you what the market is going to do. So the advantage you can do is you can take the best you can do is to take advantage of these patterns and then trade along with them. Alright, now that's an overview of what the whole candlestick pattern is all about, pattern strategy is all about. Now let's go straight. Now we have two categories of candlestick patterns. We have the continuous, or some call it continuation patterns, and we have the reversal patterns. Now the continuous patterns or the continuation patterns implies that an existing trend, assuming an upward trend, or is already existing. If these particular patterns form, these continuous patterns form, it indicates that the market's still gonna continue moving in that particular trend for the next period, be it the next 5 minutes, be the next. It's gonna move in a particular trend for the next 5 minutes, the next 1 hour, the next 2 hours. It indicates that the trend is gonna continue. So what most analysts do is, if they want to predict whether an existing upward trend will continue, they wait for these particular patterns to form, and once these patterns form, it indicates to them that the market is going to continue in that direction. So they then take advantage of it and then take their trade immediately. That candlestick for the final candlestick for that pattern closes, they take their trade, uh, following that same existing pattern, existing trend, and then they end up winning their trades. Now you have the reversal patterns. Now the reversal patterns indicate that an existing pattern, an existing trend, is going to pause or halt for a while and changes direction to another to the opposite direction for either a short period or for a very long period. So this also is a great pattern strategy that you can use. So assuming an upward trend exists already and the market is moving up and these patterns form, it tells an analyst, a trading analyst, that existing upward trend is going to halt and a downward trend is about to begin. So to take that trade immediately, the last candlestick for this particular type of pattern forms, and then take a downward trend. So to join the trend as early as possible in order to profit from it. So that is how the reversal pattern works as well. Alright, so this is part one of this candlestick pattern training strategy. So hop on to part two of it, and then let's continue from there.